Hey there, I'm Katie Sweeney and I'm going to show you how to make grilled pineapple with Grand Marnier. Let's start by looking at our pineapple. I cut the skin off of the pineapple and then I sliced it into about 1-inch thick spears that are sort of the same shape as a pickle. Next, I've got 2 bowls ready. One has half a cup of Grand Marnier, which is a French orange liqueur, and the other one has 1 cup of brown sugar. We're going to start by dipping our pineapple spears in the Grand Marnier, and then we're going to dip them into the brown sugar and get them nice and coated in the brown sugar. Then we're just going to repeat until we've got all of our pineapple coated in Grand Marnier and sugar. So we've got our grill. It's been going for about 5 minutes, so it's pretty hot. You could do this outside on a grill, but we're just using a nice cast iron skillet today, and we're gonna start by brushing it with a little melted butter. There we go, so our pineapple doesn't stick. This is just half a stick of melted butter. And then we're gonna get our pineapple a nice sear going on. You can hear it. Good caramelization. One more. And we'll just let these go for a few minutes on each side until they get golden brown, a little crispy, and delicious. We just pulled our grilled pineapple spears off of the grill, and they look absolutely scrumptious. They're coated in this like thick, caramely colored deliciousness. You could serve it with vanilla ice cream, pound cake, and don't be afraid to get experimental. You could do it with this recipe with rum if you don't have Grand Marnier. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie Sweeney. If you like what you saw here, check out my website, 6twists.wordpress.com. See you soon.